I think one of the misconceptions is that it is completely new. It has a history of 40 years. And another misconception is that it is just machine learning. It's more than that. And it's still only a part of computer science. But it's nice that it attracts so much attention, so that it is also helping a whole field of data science, of using computers to process in an intelligent way information and to give decision support, that it also promoting a whole field, even promoting research that was classically not under the label of AI. It makes me optimistic that if I look at the complicated problems that we can solve now with AI, and if you compare that what we expected 5 to 10 years ago, that makes me very optimistic. It makes me also optimistic that I see that a lot is happening open source, and that all the new things that are currently invented by hundreds of thousands of developers worldwide become everywhere immediately available. So that would make a very, very fast innovation process. Maybe that it is that we are now a little bit overestimating what can be done. At the end of the day, there are still limitations of which things can be efficiently computed. So we should still recognize that AI is not much more than understanding data, and there's always a statistical, probabilistic part of it. So we never can be 100% sure. But if we give people the idea that everything is certain and 100% correct, that might give the wrong impression. It makes me also pessimistic that we might move the focus toward things that are not pressing issues of our society. I think we should have a movement where we ask ourselves, what are the pressing issues? Climate, environment, inequality, and how can AI help there, so that we get the right focus and not get just pulled away just by fancy things that are technically possible and that move us in a wonderful digital world, forgetting that we still as a human being have to live in a real world. We are on Brightlands by involving experts from these domains from a scientific point of view into that kind of into the use cases. So I think we have a very hands-on approach here, especially at the BISS Institute and on the Brightlands Smart Service Campus, where we do use cases with companies, which is, in my view, much more valuable than having an abstract debate about how technology might look like in 5 years and what should we do now. I think we need to learn from the use cases in an early stage, but we should engage their legal experts, ethical experts, and so on, medical experts, to engage them in the early design. But at the same time, we should also engage the users, be it people in companies who are working with a robotic application or who get robotic decision support. Inviting people there to experience what it can mean for them is much better.